Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Levi and my job is to explain complex financial issues simply, right? So I'm going to say something really controversial here. I believe Bitcoin has Ponzi-like characteristics. Now, before you click away, let me explain this calmly and simply. This is not hate, this is just logic, right? So what is a Ponzi scheme? A Ponzi scheme works like this. All investors get paid using money from new investors. There is no real business generating value. The only way it keeps going is if new buyers keep coming in. When new buyers stop, it collapses, period. Now let's compare that structure to Bitcoin. So I'll talk about the early buyers already cashed out, right? So Bitcoin started at almost zero. Early adopters bought thousands of coins for pennies. Many of them sold at $1,000, $10,000, $60,000, $120,000, which was the highest it got. The wealth came from late buyers. The people buying today are paying much higher prices. In a Ponzi, early participants benefit the most. That pattern looks similar, right? So stocks represent ownership in companies. Companies produce goods and services. Real estate generates rent. Businesses generate profit. Bitcoin produces nothing. It doesn't guarantee income. Its value depends purely on what someone else is willing to pay. That's speculation. So it depends on new buyers. For Bitcoin to rise in price, new buyers must enter the market willing to pay more. If demand slows, the price falls. There's no earnings flow, no revenue, no dividends, just buyer demand. That structure resembles a momentum-driven system. Okay? So if confidence disappears, if regulation tightens, if major holders sell, there's no fundamental valuation model stopping it from falling dramatically. Unlike businesses, there's no liquidation value. Its value is belief, and belief can change real quick. So now let's be fair. Bitcoin supporters argue it's digital gold, it's scarce, 21 million supply cap, it's decentralized, it's a hedge against inflation. Those are the bullish arguments. So this video is simply explaining the skeptical case. So these are my final thoughts. I believe Bitcoin has Ponzi-like characteristics because number one, early adopters benefited most. Number two, it produces no cash flow. Number three, it depends on new buyers. Number four, if confidence breaks, downside could be severe. That doesn't guarantee collapse. It means risk is higher than many admit. Do you disagree? Good. Smart investing requires debate. Comment your perspective below and subscribe for more explained breakdowns of money, markets, and power. So this is my conclusion in a nutshell. As I said, and I always never want to be right in the market. You know, I don't care because in the market, whether you're sometimes you don't have to know what's going to happen to be able to make a profit in the market. So in my situation, how I'll trade it, I'll buy a call and I'll buy a put. For those who don't know how to short Bitcoin, I use Bitcoin mining companies like Mara or Riot or Bitcoin reserve companies like MSTR. So I'll just buy a call and I'll buy a put. But I have a feeling that the short will make me more money. But hey, I don't know. I just feel like it's a Ponzi, but I can still take part in making profit in Bitcoin. So let me know what you think. See you in the next video. Take it easy.